way better.
Yeah.
We go at it every league game.
Yeah.
I know.
I would have missed that.
Yeah.
That was
No, it's awesome to play with
Yeah.
each other.
Yeah.
Way better.
Especially when you guys know each other for a while.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't have wanted anybody else on my team. Like I like this team that we have right
I
now.
like it too.
Yeah.
And I like that we all like work well together.
Yeah,
We don't-
yeah.
I mean,
We're never ever like
yeah, yeah.
it's fun.
It was really fun, you know, just to get us all here back together one last time to go through one last game. It was fun. And it's always competitive, I used to see during the game, but just to play with all each other, play on the same team, it was really fun. Yeah, it's a fun game, you know, and it's cool because, you know, the All-Stars, they try to pick the best players from each team. So when we get here and go at it, it's just like the season all over again, except we got schools that we play against that we're on the same team. So now we're going against the other ones and they're combined, so it's really fun, really competitive.